Good day everyone, I'm Daryl Alonso. Our topic is business strategies. Business strategies. Because of the volatility of the environment, business survival has become more challenging than ever. There is a greater demand for an honest review of functional activities and development of a proactive mindset through various strategic modes of growth and competitiveness, realignment, enhancement, reinventing, strategizing, and refocusing have become more imperative to any organization. In this chapter, we will discuss value chain analysis and the different type of business strategies. This include growth strategies. And so, now, what is value chain analysis? Value chain analysis as global market within businesses have to pay closer attention to where their raw materials come from, how they are produced, how finished products are stored and transported, and what their end products users are really asking for. The main business definition of an organization is to produce goods or render services, and to achieve these set goals and objective, it engage in a series of activities. If an organization wants to be profitable, it has to sell value to its buyers value that is worth paying for. Thank you.
Supply chain management. Supply chain management is a broad continuum of specific activities employed by a company. So basically this is a process of the company kung giunsa pagkuha sa ilang product from start to finish, then to the customer. So from raw materials adto pa dong sa customer. So it consists of the following: purchasing or supply management, which includes the sourcing, ordering, and inventory storing of raw materials, parts, and services. So purchasing or supply management is pagkuha sa mga kinahanglanon sa usa ka business. So first is sourcing. So ngita kag mga supplier. So for example is bakery. So ngita kag supplier nga egg farming, aron may makahatag mo mga egg. Then ordering is pag-order sa mga materials or ingredients nga imong kinahanglanon sa pag-bake. So inventory storing of raw materials, parts, and services. So pag-store sa mga materials until nga imo na siyang gamiton. Then second is productions and operations, also known as manufacturing and assembly. So pag-process or paghimo na sa usa ka product. Then logistic, which is the efficient warehousing, inventory tracking, order entry, management, distributions, and delivery to customer. So logistic is about moving and managing product efficiently. So naay warehousing. Warehousing is pag-store sa mga finished product. So inventory tracking, so knowing where all products at all time. Then order entry, so taking customers' order. Then management, distributions, and delivery to customer. So pag-deliver sa product adto sa customer, house to house. Then last one is marketing and sales, which includes promoting and selling to customer. So pag-promote sa imong product, like posting pictures online aron mas daghang pagmakita sa imong product. Then we have a chart aron mas masabtan. So organization, we have supply management, sourcing and ordering, inventory management, so getting materials, then production and operations, manufacturing and assembly, so making product and things. Then we have logistic, warehousing, scheduling, transportations, delivery, so moving the storing products. Then marketing and sales, promotions and sellings.
Good day everyone, I am Paulo S. A. Padillo and I'm going to explain supply management. So, what is supply management? Supply management is all about making sure a company has everything it needs to run smoothly This includes things like raw materials, product, and services. Sila ang mangita o supplier buying the things needed and making sure everything on time and the right quality. So, supply management is also popular term used for purchasing, which is formally termed as procurement. So, procurement means a process or a cycle. It is a key business function that is responsible for first is identifying materials and service needed. So, it means supply management sila ang mangita sa mga kinahanglan sa establishment o kompanya. Then, ang kaduha is locating and selecting suppliers, negotiating and closing contract. So, sila ang mangita kung suppliers nga makuha nila sila ang mga product na kinahanglan nun. Nga katulo is acquiring the needed material, service, and equipment. So, nakita naman sila o supplier, so mo-acquire na sila sa mga kinahanglan nila nga kinahanglan nila sa establishment. So, ikaupat is i-monitor nila ang inventory kung pilay kuwang or mga kinahanglan din nila sa kakuan. Then, ikalima is tracking supplier performance. So, i-track nila ang supplier kung good quality ba, nga mo abot ba sa saktong oras kinahanglan nun. In this stage, it is important to create value by establishing and managing supplier relationship. So, identifying strategic source accurately, forecasting demand, requirements, and understanding inventory management. Thus, the goal of supply management is to obtain the right materials and meeting quality requirements in the right quantity for the right time and the right place, from the right source with the right service and the right price. And additional supplies management objectives include improving the organization's competitive position, providing uninterrupted flow of material supplies and services, keeping inventory and loss at a minimum, maintaining and improving quality, finding best in class. So, creating value is important because it helps the organization get the right supplies at the right time, in the right amount and the right cost.